Give you all a cold start real quick. What is going on? Hope you are having a good morning, evening, night, day, whatever time it is you're watching this. For the whole 2 people that are actually watching, I've got brand new welds here. The rear dry pack for the Camaro, you know, because if anybody that's been around or if you've seen previous videos of racing and other stuff, whenever I actually do go to the track, shout out to Sosa. He gave me these were for his 2018 Mustang, and he gave these to me in order to run those race stars on the Camaro. I'd have a billet aluminum adapter to convert the bolt pattern from mine to the Mustang's bolt pattern, and I'm gonna buy the fronts soon, eventually. I don't know, maybe, might not, sometime soon. I don't really know yet. I mean, I plan on buying them, I just don't know when. So, but anyways, long story short, I finally got some wheels ordered for the car that actually fits the car, and you don't have to run an adapter, spacer, none of that shit. So we tried filming last night, but the deal is they put too big of wheel weights on the inside, and as y'all know, if you're familiar with this platform and with how these wheels fit up on there, the brake caliper is real close, because I'm not going to do a 15-inch conversion on this yet, or probably at all. I don't really know what route I want to go. I haven't really decided if I want to go race car or if I want to keep it street car. As of right now, the plan is to keep it as a street car, and if I really want to do a race car something later, maybe I'll buy a Corvette, something that's lighter already, that you don't have to, you know, it's just one of those deals. But anyways, all that shit aside, we put it on last night, and I was gonna go rinse the car off and wash these as well, because when they mounted these, they put some like soap lubricant or whatever the hell. So I was just gonna go clean these up a little bit, at the same time just rinse the car off. Here's a cold start for y'all, sorta.